What? Yeah, I can handle that. Watch this. Yo, Rock Bull, we got a request. Bring him on in.
That's